Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix any of your problem, like you can't connect to Google Meet conferencing video conferencing app. If you're facing any difficult for connecting problems, then this video is for you. So guys, before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's get started to the videos. So guys, if you're facing a connectivity problem, if you're not connected to connect, if your Google Meet is not connecting to the server, or to if you can't join, then what you have to do is, first of all, you have to go to Google Play Store. It will be available in your phone. After going to Google Play Store, what you have to do is just search your Google Meet. After that, you can see here, this is the Google Meet, and first of all, what you have to do is you have to see here if the Google Meet is asking for any update or not. So if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Google Meet. So the first point is this: after updating your Google Meet, you can go and try it out if the problem has been solved or not. So guys, the second point is, what you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings. Okay, you have to go to your mobile settings, and after going to mobile settings, what you have to do is you have to go to apps or apps management or install apps. So let's go and click here, and after clicking here, you have to click on manage apps. So you can go anywhere, install apps or app management, or anywhere you will be finding the same thing. So guys, here are the defaults of my. So now what you have to do is you have to search for Google Meet here. So where is my Google Meet? It's not finding here, so let me just search from here. Okay, Google Meet, sorry, Meet. Okay, this is my Meet, so just click on the Meet application. Now what you have to do here is, you can see here the clear data option. So just click on the clear all data option, and then you have to click on clear all the data. So after clicking on clear all the data, now what you have to do is, you can see here force stop button. So now guys, what you have to do is click on force stop button, and then you have to stop the force first. And the third thing is, what you have to do here is, you can see here app permission button. So just click on the app permission button, and then you have to allow all the permissions here. So after allowing all the permission, you can go back and you can check it out whether your Google Meet is working or not. So guys, if this problem also doesn't work, then what you have to do is, I will show you in this video. This is the fourth tricks that you can apply. You have to go to your about phone. Okay, this is my about phone. After going to about phone, what you have to do is you have to go to system update. After going to system update, you have to check whether your smartphone is asking for any update or not. So if they are asking for any update, if they are asking for any update, you have to update your mobile and then restart it, and then you can try it. Your problem will be definitely solved. So guys, this is how you can fix the Google Meet app not working problem. Thanks for watching.